Hello everybody, hopefully you're having a very wonderful day. My name is Naveen Chahal, or my alter ego's name is Purple Azalia. So me and Snoopy and also Hello Kitty here are starting a new channel which is all about Malaysian beauty. And I wanted to start this channel, because I noticed that there are a lot of products being reviewed by Western beauty YouTubers, but we don't have many YouTubers here in Malaysia. We do have some from the Philippines, from Indonesia, even from Thailand, but we only do have like a handful of us. So where are us, the Malaysian beauty YouTubers? Like, people should start writing blogs and reviewing stuff, because there are a lot of things that are being reviewed by Western YouTubers, especially the American ones, which are not available in Malaysia. And it pisses me off because they have such awesome stuff and some of it are dirt cheap, but it's not available here. We don't have Milani here, we don't have LA Color here or LA Girl, we don't have most of Wet n Wild. Actually, some of Wet n Wild is being sold in Sasa, but most of it is not here. And even L'Oreal Infallible, like even the staple brands here like L'Oreal and Maybelline and Revlon, like you see them reviewing some of the stuff and they never reach here. And even though they reach, it is so late. Like, imagine the disappointment. And I saw reviews, like tons and tons and tons of reviews on the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind and the Maybelline Fit Me. They were one of the best drugstore concealers, but they were not being sold in Malaysia. Just imagine the disappointment. That I got so excited about, I think so, a year ago, that Maybelline was going to release the Instant Age Rewind here in the Malaysian market. And guess what? We only have 2 shades. It's a complexion product and we only have 2 shades. And I'm thankfully lucky enough that I'm a light medium skin tone, so I didn't get my shade. But how about the very pale, where we do have a lot of them here in Malaysia? And how about the very dark? Anything tan and above, anything darker than that can't use these concealers. And about 2 or 3 months ago also, Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me was released in Malaysia with like what, 3-4 shades. So that is so disappointing. L'Oreal Infallible line is not here, except for I think so one foundation, which is also about 100 ringgit, which is, for me, that's another topic. But prices at the drugstore is getting ridiculous day by day, even here in Malaysia. So I wanted to start my own channel, for us Malaysians. And also we do have different beauty standards. We are very different. We don't wear makeup to high school. Most of us don't wear makeup to university, or even if we do, it's very, very minimal. Most of us don't even wear foundation. Most of the time, most of us only put on lipsticks and mascaras. A lot of us don't bother with primers or eye primers or things like that, because, hey, we are very all natural here. And there's something I really, really like about Malaysia, that you could be working and you could be in the working world also and not wearing makeup and nobody gives a damn. But yeah, I wanted to start a channel, on products which are available in Malaysia, or if they are available in Malaysia, the shades which are available in Malaysia, the drugstore comparison which is available in Malaysia, and also to give reviews on skincare which is available in Malaysia. Because a lot of, most of the time, this skincare is actually not suitable for our hot and humid weather. Even though, some people say that, hey, I love this product, it sinks right in, I use this during summer. And when we use it here in Malaysia, hell no. It's still making our face greasy within 1 hour of applying it. So I do want to review foundations, complexion products, skincare, and see how suitable it is for Malaysian weather. So that's what this is a pure dose of Malaysian beauty, made by a Malaysian for young Malaysian girls out there. Even if you're 40, 50, you want to get into makeup, hey, you can watch. And I'm also going to have some discussions about important topics. At times just have a chatty get ready, just want to talk about body image and confidence, and generally beauty standards here in Malaysia, because there is some beauty shaming here in Malaysia too, which I would like to discuss about. So anyway, that's all my channel is about. Hopefully you enjoy the content that I put out. For now, I would be uploading once a week on Sundays, and maybe I would upload a bonus video once in a while on So I do hope that you subscribe to my channel and that you leave me likes on my videos, and please do leave constructive criticisms down in the comment sections below, because I really, really, really do need comments. I'm actually pretty nervous here right now. I don't know if my eye makeup, how is it going to translate in camera, because I'm looking in real life and I think that, hey, this is a bomb, smoky eye look, but I have no idea how it looks like. I'm just filming on my camera in a simple setting in my room. So hopefully I do produce better quality videos in the future. But I do hope that I can educate Malaysian girls out there on beauty products which is available for them to use, maybe cheaper ones, and review higher end products and give comparison, hopefully, so that when you do decide to make the splurge, that you do it on an informed basis and also on skincare. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy my channel. Hopefully that I'm able to give you something that will help you in future. So I hope that you have a wonderful day ahead of you wherever you are. I love you guys. Thank you and bye bye.